How to print Google Slides with speaker notes in under a minute. To open Print Preview in Google Slides, click File in the top menu. Next, select Print Settings in Preview. The preview screen will open, showing your slides ready for printing. To switch the layout to one slide with notes, click the Layout drop-down in the toolbar. From the options, select One Slide with Notes. Now each page will display a slide along with its corresponding notes for easy reference. To download your presentation as a PDF or send it to the printer, start by reviewing the preview. If everything looks good, click Download as PDF to save it. Alternatively, you can click Print to send it directly to your printer. You'll see a confirmation message once the process is complete. Generate slides with AI in 30 seconds. Try Slidee at slidee.ai.